Everybody enjoys a nice friendly game of dominoes, although I know they can get pretty heated sometimes. And I went into a drawer of cuts that was donated by somebody, and I know this came from the Stockton High School printing shop when they taught printing in high school. They don't do that anymore. So we have a nice little cut here, and it refers to Dominoes and gin. Now, being a family-friendly outfit, that's not the liquor, it's the card game Gin Rummy. Another interesting way to pass time that can get a little heated